Thousands of discarded vehicle tires arrive at the recycling facility every day. These waste tires will soon begin their transformation into useful flooring products. Each tire is carefully sorted according to its size and condition before entering the recycling process.
The first stage uses powerful shredders to break entire tires into smaller rubber pieces.
Strong magnetic systems remove steel reinforcement wires hidden inside the tires. The cleaned rubber pieces are ground further into smaller and more uniform particles. The rubber is processed into fine granules, which become the main raw material for flooring tiles. For black tiles, rubber granules are mixed with special binders to create a durable flooring compound. For red tiles, color pigments are added to produce vibrant and long-lasting flooring material. The prepared material is placed into precision molds that create the interlocking tile shape. Hydraulic presses apply enormous pressure to compact the material into strong and durable tiles. After pressing, the newly formed tiles are carefully removed from their molds.
The tiles are cured to strengthen their structure and improve durability.
Every tile undergoes quality testing to ensure it meets performance and safety standards. The finished tiles are packed and prepared for delivery to customers. Old waste tires have been successfully transformed into durable interlocking flooring, creating value from recycled materials while reducing environmental waste.